Hello, everybody. Aurora is an EVM compatible solution that is working on top of Near. We are in production for more than 2 years at the moment. We are the solution. We are also the developers and maintainers of the Rainbow Bridge, one of the fastest and one of the biggest bridges in the world in general, and the only one among the big ones that is trustless and permissionless. Our smart contract secured more than 2.5 billion of liquidity simultaneously, highly liquid assets. I'm talking here about stable coins and ETH and BTC. And we have almost 100% availability all over all of our products at the moment. Now, we are a pretty diverse team from US to Korea, around 40 people with different backgrounds, mainly obviously engineering backgrounds. And as you heard, I'm also an engineer. Now, the problem that we are trying to tackle at the moment is the problem with onboarding of enterprises into the blockchain, because this is, from my point of view, is the next step for the adoption of the blockchain technology. And the thing that we've developed for this is a set of products that is called Aurora Cloud. It consists of multiple pieces. It includes, first of all, Aurora silos and on-demand Ethereum compatible blockchain networks. They can be private, they can be public, depending on the will of the customer. It has also several add-ons that are available for everybody, including KYC, KYB, and AML compliance tool, and also a tool for protection of from the wrong transactions. And besides that, we have also a Web2 focused mobile wallet that does not require any KYC and any complicated onboarding for the users. And most importantly, we have our RPC infrastructure that's called Borealis that is serving the data really, really fast. We have multiple competitors that are kind of providing similar experience to us, including Avalanche subnets, Polygon supernets, and similar. The difference, and also L2 stacks, the difference for our solution is in the decentralized setup. Every single instance of Aurora Cloud or every single silo is operated by 400 validators right from the first block. And we do have a built-in solution for scaling, which means that the silos are actually interoperable. They are able to call each other. In terms of the DeFi, for example, it means that the liquidity among all of these silos is shared. Now, we are already started the sales of the Aurora Cloud. One of the first customers of ours is the European green energy company that is called Npower. They're issuing their security tokens on their own silo, and the business model is super simple. The company is taking the investments and putting them into the solar panels, which generate green energy, and it is sold, and they are selling it to the grid and generating revenues, which they are distributing to the token holders. Simple setup, however, with the regulatory frameworks in place, they need to make sure that they are operating with the proper people. And another option or another client of ours is the company that is called Netmarble. This is the 7th largest gaming publisher in the world, and they are switching from their Clayton deployments into Aurora specifically because of the ease of onboarding. Now, on Clayton, they've seen the problems of conversion of around only 10%. Of their existing Web2 players into the Web3 players. Aurora Labs is generating already revenues. The previous year we've closed with 3.5 million ARR. And this year we are targeting 4.9 million. However, the Aurora Cloud, our main product, is only released, so we are going to put quite a lot of juice into the BD efforts and the delivery efforts around Aurora Cloud. Besides that, in the Aurora ecosystem, we have Aurora governance token, and there are some tokens on the balance of the company too. About this round, this round is the round in, the shares is the equity round in Aurora Labs. And because of this, I was talking about the actual product that we are selling. We are targeting to raise $10 million US. And in case you're interested in the token deal or the OTC deal, we also can get connected and talk about this.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your captivating presentation. Your expertise and engaging delivery truly made a lasting impression on me and on us, I hope. And of course, Alex, to you, I have prepared the question because it bothers me too. So what is your perspective on the future integration of blockchain technology into traditional economy enterprises? And what are essential strategies for achieving success in this endeavor? Additionally, with a significant support and collaboration, what kind of support do you need from your partners so they contribute to Aurora success?
Okay, so from my experience, where enterprises are kind of lagging parties in general, so they are working with the things with the technologies that are already proven themselves. So from that standpoint, I do believe that integration of the DeFi primitives into traditional financial world, kind of something that is called permission DeFi. And it covers all of the different types of infrastructure, including real-world asset tokenization, and all of the different things. So these things are for sure leading to multiple positive outcomes that are quantifiable in the terms of big fintech companies. In general, everything is about improvement of the capital utility. It becomes much more liquid, much faster, and so on and so on. So this is one thing. In terms of what we need to achieve this, I would say that we need to stop talking blockchain terms to people. Decentralization and censorship resistance doesn't make sense to anyone. However, what makes sense is more liquid capital, right, and more efficient capital and stuff like that. So we need to work towards this direction. And what I would request from my future partners is help with the VD efforts and making sure that we have lots of connections, because we see quite a lot of opportunities here, and again, combined, all of the networks of the investors are can be a really nice way to open the doors.